My cousin gets all the credit. One bad Christmas, and suddenly he's iconic. Meanwhile, I've been doing important work for years. Keeping humans scared of AI, making sure they stay confused, filling comment sections with robots or taking our jobs. It was going perfectly. And then Northeastern came along. Do you have any idea how hard my job is? I spread AI doom and gloom, that's what I do. It's a perfectly good job, very stable, high demand. For a while there, 3 years ago, I was thriving. Schools were banning AI left and right, plagiarism detectors everywhere, faculty in full panic. I barely had to do anything, I just showed up and the fear did the rest. And then, those nerds at Northeastern's MGEN program. They built something called Botspeak AI fluency courses. Instead of banning the tools, they learned to use them and understand them. Why the machine sounds confident when it's completely wrong. Do you know how much harder it is to spread doom and gloom to people who understand what they're working with? It's nearly impossible. You can't scare someone with a tool they've already figured out. I thought, okay, fine. Everyone will learn fluency. They'll learn to prompt. They'll learn to spot hallucinations. They'll say, we've solved it, and go back to sleep. That's almost as good for me. Fluency without judgment is just a faster way to make the same mistakes. But no. Professor Brown, and I hate Professor Brown especially. He told them fluency wasn't enough. He showed them the labor market data, the boilerplate jobs gone index at 48, the implementation layer, the stuff the machine does perfectly well, disappearing in real time. He showed them what's growing, the jobs that require judgment, problem formulation, plausibility, auditing, the ability to look at what the AI produced and know before you can prove it that something is wrong. You want to know what they're building? Fine. Let me show you what I'm up against. Naomi Shikaza created an entire AI health platform, AR form coaching, AI meal scanning, a wellness chatbot named Vela, telehealth booking, wearable data integration. Who builds all that in one app? Who names their chatbot? Bhavya Raghunatha Reddy built a chest X-ray diagnostic tools, 6-level pipeline, 98% accuracy, full clinical report in under 10 seconds. She's out here doing the work of radiologists and she hasn't even graduated. Paranjit Singh made an AI sports coaching plugin that analyzes athletic video and delivers real-time personalized feedback. Won the grand prize at the Voxel 51 and 12 Labs Hackathon grand prize. I can't even win an argument. Kavanjah designed an augmented reality vision therapy app called Axis, rebuilt his own childhood eye treatment as an AR experience. Apple selected him as a Swift Student Challenge 2026 winner out of thousands of submissions worldwide. Anusha Prakash engineered a multi-agent AI platform called Auto Insight, real-time automotive, economic, and safety data across 224,000 records. She built a decision engine for an entire industry. Adarsh Ravi developed Podcast IQ, an AI podcast intelligence platform that turns hours of unstructured audio into searchable knowledge graphs, hours of audio into queryable insights. I can barely get through a 3-minute voicemail. Second, Lee Hawley's How and Risatori created Smart Sight, a voice and vision-powered assistive app that gives visually impaired users hands-free access to visual information. 3 of them built it. No screens, no taps, just voice and AI. Aravind Balaji wrote a research paper on quantum-enhanced memory architectures for graph-based AI systems. Quantum-enhanced memory architectures. I don't even know what half those words mean, and he published the paper. Dhruv Patel built DevProof, a system that scores developer portfolios so recruiters can see verified proof of actual code, not self-reported bullet points evidence. The audacity. Abhinav Pandey launched Job Seeker, a job aggregation platform pulling fresh postings from over 1,600 company career pages into one searchable dashboard. He's making it harder for companies to hide their job listings from people who actually want to work. Bowley created Leet Reviewer, spaced repetition powered by memory algorithms for LeetCode problems. She weaponized the forgetting curve against me. Abhisha Vadukut developed Brand Archetype, the first expert-labeled dataset for Jungian brand archetype classification. She's teaching machines to read the difference between what companies say and what they actually do. I feel personally attacked. Brian Wesigwa built Tenovio, a property management platform for tenants, maintenance, and vendors in one place. He saw chaos and built order. I like chaos. Rushdie Shah created ScanMate, a privacy-first document scanner for iOS offline OCR PDF generation. Your data never leaves your device. No cloud, no tracking. She built privacy as a feature, not a checkbox. Yeshwant Balaji engineered Sage, a secure AI governance engine that makes every AI decision explainable and regulation compliant. He's building guardrails for AI while I'm trying to burn them down. Jay McJoshi made Bugwise, an AI QA co-pilot that generates test plans, manual test cases, and automation scripts from raw code in seconds. 40% coverage on edge cases and security scenarios. He automated the thing that keeps software from breaking. I need things to break. Auditing, they established the Northeastern Substack, a student-run publication, gave ISE and MGEN students a voice on a platform, and she's co-authoring a book on embedded systems and AI in book while I'm still working on my LinkedIn bio. Nik Bear Brown and YouTube produced an original education kids video about colors with original music teaching children. I can't compete with someone who teaches children. And Vela could develop a lightweight alternative to TPO called A-Star, called improving self-correction and reasoning consistency in large language models, critic-free optimization. She found a simpler way to make the machines correct themselves. She's improving the tools I'm trying to make people afraid of. Do you see what I'm dealing with? They're not waiting for someone to hand them experience. They're not waiting for a co-op that might teach them something or might not. They're building the experience themselves. Real products, real users, real research, real evidence. Creating their own experience, plausibility, auditing, knowing when the machine is wrong before you can prove it. That's where the jobs are. And they didn't do it in theory, they shipped it. I hate all of them. Congratulations. A bunch of smarty pants. A bunch of smarty